Hello everyone. Let's begin to develop our first mobile app for Android systems. The app we are about to create today is called a Flashlight. Using this project, I want to show you the major workflow of developing an Android app. Along the way, you could meet some programming languages. Understanding those languages is not required this week. We will have a particular lecture for programming language a few weeks later. Every developer wants to get rich by creating a popular app. When people talk about the business success of mobile app industry, they will immediately think about some famous mobile games, such as Angry Birds or Clash of Clans. One common mistake that many beginner developers make is that when they just start learning mobile app development, they want to go big. They want their ideas or projects to be as big as Angry Birds or even bigger. However, a mobile game requires a lot of resources or skills. For instance, you need to know how to design graphics, or you can hire a graphic designer. You need a customer support team, or a group of programmers. Usually, a beginner developer doesn't have so many resources or skills to transform such a big idea into a real app. Finally, a big dream turns into an empty dream at the end. So instead of going big at the beginning, I suggest everybody to pay more attention to smaller projects. If your app is useful to the customers, it can still go viral and bring you a lot of profits, even though it is simpler and smaller compared to other bigger apps. And the Flashlight app is a successful example of using this kind of strategy. I talked to a system engineer from Apple. He told me that back in 2006, when Apple began to accept the individual developers' mobile apps, the one that got most attention was the Flashlight app. What can this app do for the customers? Sometimes you will travel to some dark places. For instance, you just got in your hotel room at night. You don't know where the light switch is. You want to use your mobile phone as a flashlight to get more lights in the room. And the Flashlight app can help you light up the room. Let me show you how this app works. Let's go to the emulator and launch the Flashlight app. Once you launch the app, you will get a white screen. Because it's shiny white, so you will get more light on your phone. There is also a button on the screen. If you finish using the app, you can turn it off and then turn it back on. Let's try it again. Turn it off and then turn it back on. This is such a simple app, but if you think about it, this is a really good idea. I heard the original copy of Flashlight app has sold over 1 million copies at the price of 99 cents per download. Today I want to use this simple but interesting app to show you the major steps of creating a mobile app for the Android system.